Hi all, I hope you're smashing it in your property investing. Now in this video I want to share 2 must-dos to succeed in property. Now these are 2 golden nuggets that are useful no matter if you're new to property or whether you've been doing it for years. But before we get into the video, I just want to give you a big thank you. I know over the last few months, Richard and I haven't really been active on YouTube, and we've been in and updated with loads of emails and messages saying, are we in property? Are we still investing? Are we even alive and kicking? Well, I can categorically say, yes, we are still live and kicking and doing property day in, day out. Last few months has been really busy, one of the most busiest periods we've ever had in property, because we've been focused on some huge rent-to-rent property deals for our own portfolio, and I'll share those videos and details over the next coming weeks and months. But we've also been helping investors like yourselves grow strong, profitable and high cash flow property investments. But we've also been helping many more investors like yourself grow a strong, dependable and high cash flowing property portfolio. But this period has really also given us, Rich and I, a chance to actually reflect and really think about how we can help you guys. And one of the key commitments we made for this year, 2019, is a commitment to put even more great content out there, but actually stepping up a level. We really want to make sure that every piece of content, every video we put out there is the best we can do. Really given as much of the 30+ years of experience Rich and I have in property out there. We want to make sure that you get great insight, great education and actionable steps from every video, so you can go out there and be a success. If that's sourcing properties or if it's investing in your own property portfolio. So if that interests you and you want to be notified of when those videos come out, please subscribe and YouTube will straight away notify you when we put new videos out. Now, health warning. What I'm about to share really motivates me and I'm really passionate about it. So if I speak too quickly or if you see my hands going all around, it's because I'm passionate. I haven't lost my brains, I haven't lost my marbles. It's literally that I'm hugely passionate about what I'm going to share with you now. So let me go on to revealing must-do number 1. Let me ask this question. What does Michael McIntyre, Nando's, Donald Trump, as well as Stevie Wonder all have in common? No, it's not that Michael McIntyre loves eating Nando's whilst listening to Stevie Wonder in the background whilst he prepares for his next comedy act where he's about to rip into Donald Trump. No. What they actually all have in common is focus. So must do number 1 is focus. Nando's focuses on providing the most freshest grilled chickens. Donald Trump, despite all his mishaps and his questions about his character, he, in his early years, used to focus just on commercial property. Stevie Wonder focused on writing masterful and great number 1 hits despite being blind. And Michael McIntyre focused on being the best comedy act in the UK, if not globally. I can't count the amount of people I've encountered who bounce from one strategy to another, from lease options, to rent, to assisted sale, to estate agency. The list goes on. And then I asked them one simple question: how many deals have you done? And the response, they mutter, none. The simple solution is just focus. I realized that one of the most challenging situations you can come across as a new beginner is actually finding your goldmine area. You might be thinking, should I go local? Should I go to another area? Should I invest globally? And what even makes it maybe even more stressful and challenging is actually when you see others having success in another area, which may then tempt you to even go over there and invest in that area. What I recommend to you is actually just focus. And this recommendation is what I give to other trainees and investors that we work with. Just focus on one location. By focusing on one location, you'll get to know the ins and outs of the area. You'll realize what works in the area and what doesn't. So for example, in our investment areas, Newcastle's fantastic for doing HMOs, generating consistent cash flow, limited voids. It's great for doing multi-lets. However, another area that we invest in, which is Durham, is great for finding and doing below market value deals and lease options. So the key takeaway from you guys is, especially if you're a beginner, just focus on one location, get out there, start investing, build your network. Just start investing in that area and you'll start to realize what works in that specific location. And it will allow you, by focusing on one location, to master the roles, the different nuances of the area, so it can work to your advantage. Imagine how much more of an advantage you'll have by knowing what works in that location versus someone who's trying to do and invest in those different locations, but knows limited information around it. So next time you read about Donald Trump, or you're eating at Nando's, or you're listening to Stevie Wonder, or you're laughing at a joke from Michael McIntyre, just think, focus. So must do number 2 is take action. Take massive action in your property investing. It's so easy to be sucked into trying to perfect everything on paper, attending training after training and reading book after book. However, one of the greatest ways to succeed in your property investing is just going out there and doing it. You know, I'm a big fan of the education system. It can take someone who's got potentially limited talent or seen as having limited talent and developing them into someone with confidence, knowledge, intelligence, and someone that succeeds in the world. And I'm also a big fan because I'm married to a teacher. But one of the key failings of our education system is it can lead you to fall into the trap of having to be perfect, of never being able to make a mistake. However, one of the greatest opportunities you have as a new investor is actually just going out there and learning from your mistakes. It's because from learning from your mistakes, you'll know what works, you'll grow in your confidence. You know, remember Thomas Edison, when creating the electric light bulb, said, I didn't fail, I actually found 10,000 ways that it did not work. So use the same policy, use the same thinking. Go out there, take massive action, and see every opportunity as something, or every mistake, or every quote-unquote failure as not a failure, as not it working, but an opportunity of improvement. So what I urge you is to stop trying out every new shiny object that comes out. Stop being distracted by every new piece of content, be it free or be it paid. Stop downloading podcast after podcast. Stop watching video after video on YouTube. Close your laptop and just take massive action. So I really believe in what I've just said. So much so that if after hearing this video, you turn it off, you unsubscribe from my channel, then although it would be heartfelt, because I love the fact that you follow us, you're watching it and you share your positive comments with me, I'll be even more happy if you go out there and smash it. You be a success in whatever journey or route that you're taking in your property investing. You must take action. You must be selfish here, because it's going to be the key at you being successful. So go out there and take action now. So to recap, the 2 must-dos for you succeeding in property, especially if you're a beginner, is be focused and take action. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and I would love to hear what you're going to take from this video. Which one of those must-dos are you going to take action on now? Is it going to be remaining focused, or actually just going out there and taking action? I'd love to hear from you by leaving a comment in the comment section. So till next time, I wish you all the best in smashing your property investing objectives.